What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jaxx. Happy Monday. Hope you had an absolutely stupendous weekend. We're going to go over Gala games. We are currently breaking out, starting to break the wave one high. So we're sitting at 0.02188. We're up 9% on the day. Same market cap of 560 million. 24-hour volume 144 million. Nice way to start the week with a Gala breakout. So as we can see, we didn't quite reach our target zone. I thought we might come down to WXY, but we're starting to break out. We broke the wave one high, which is bullish confirmation. So we are already in a Gala trade. I was looking to give another signal in the Discord in the pullback zone, but we didn't quite reach it. But we did everything we needed to complete a pullback. So we can pull back, we can break out from here, and I can give you a wave 3 target. Take your trend-based fib extension from the bottom of the impulse up to the top of that wave 1 to the wave 2 low. And you would target the 1.618 for that wave 3, which is currently coming in. I'll drop in a price tag at a juicy 0.033. That's right around where my break even is for my massive investment. Gala is my largest holding. Just a little secret. Most people, they love to hold BTC as their largest position, but me, I like to take more risk and look for the next up and coming major projects, and I do believe Gala is one of those, especially in the metaverse space with everything they're doing. But that's for another video. We've talked about that before. Right now we're just doing the technical analysis. So breaking the wave one high is bullish confirmation. Anything can happen. You can roll over, you can come back down, and you can look at a larger ABC correction. But as of right now, the more higher probability breaking that wave one high after a 3-wave corrective move is an impulse. So what I'll look for is the first pullback. Once we start to get that first pullback, I will give another signal in the Discord for a trade to continue to ride up that wave 3 if that's what plays out. We already are in a Gala trade. This trade is still ongoing, just hitting TP1. And I will continue to let this trade go. This is the daily chart. We did retest the 20 EMA. I talked about coming back to the bullish cross. Didn't come quite deep as I thought we would, but that's a-okay. That's why I like to have multiple trades going. So this Gala trade will do well if we continue to push up and we hit TP2 at 0.028. Then from our entry price, that would be a juicy gain of 100%. Signals are given in the Discord for $10 a month. You spend $10 every single day. You can sign up to the Patreon link. So we held the bullish cross. So it looks good. If we can break this resistance here, then we can see continuation up to 0.028 and then 0.032, which is our TP3. So that's it for this Gala update. Once we start to pull back after we complete this impulse, as this is an impulsive move, then I'll give another trade signal for my private members in the Discord for $10 a month. If we end up pulling back deeper, then what you would look at is A, overshooting wave B and coming down into wave C, but a wave B should be a 3-wave move, and this is an impulse. If you zoom in on the 1-hour chart, I'll do it quickly here. I don't like really small micro counts because they're very inaccurate. But you could look at like a 1, 2, pushed up in a 1, pull back in a 2, there's your wave 3, there's your wave 4, there's your wave 5. So it does look like a 5-wave impulse, plus you have the bullish confirmation of breaking that wave 1 high. So there is chance of continuation to the upside for our friend Gala Games. And we have that juicy wave 3 target of 0.03304. All right, gang, signals are $10 a month. Make sure to sign up to BitDNX. No KYC, no VPN. All around the world, including US and Canada, who are getting shafted by exchanges. Sign up to BitDNX. My subscribers only get a 20% bonus when they deposit into their futures account. So if you deposit $1,000, you get $200 completely free to trade with. $100, $20 completely free to trade with. My subscribers only. My Discord is $10 a month. Not only do you get my exact trade setups, but you get crypto analysis on many coins, many that I also don't cover on the channel. Daily crypto analysis, my exact trade setups, crypto news. Members like to post their profits in here. As you can see, they're crushing it even on their own trades. He went long here on Gala Games, and he did very well. How to all plays and Forex signals analysis, looking to get in silver and gold, currently killing it on US oil, all for $10 a month. You really can't beat it. All links down below. Go check them out. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.